Well, as of today at the Youngstown Warren Regional Airport, we reached our 8th 90-degree day of the year, and that sets us equal to what we did last year, and it also sets us equal to the 30-year rolling average. This is our most amount of 90-degree days at the regional airport since 2022, but we're only halfway through meteorological summer, and it's still warm out there on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's camera out in Boardman. It's 85 degrees there, and you can see there's some clouds, some sunshine, and that's really what the day has been like because it's been warm. 90 degrees out in Youngstown and downtown as well, and widespread 80s and 90s across much of our area. That trend will continue in terms of warmth, maybe not this warm over the next couple of days, but we will have some heat that we will have to worry about over midweek as well. Comparing this to average, we're seeing 5 to 10 degrees across the board, and we're not really going to fall below average for the foreseeable future. Looking at our radar, we are tracking a little bit of rain to our west, but it since has kind of disintegrated a little bit, not as much of a threat as we were worrying about then, but cloud cover really is the name of the game in our area right now. Still tracking that rain over the next couple of hours, but what this all means is we are on a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center, with the main threat, some damaging winds there. For the next couple of hours, we'll have to deal with nice, pleasant sunshine, maybe that threat of some rain or storms coming through by sunset, but temperatures will be going down into the 70s as we go over the next couple of hours. And we can play this out on our Futurecast. Timestamp is up in the middle and top of your screen. You can see these clouds are starting to filter through. It should be a relatively rain-free night as we go into the morning now. And as we go into the afternoon on Sunday, that's when we'll have to worry about more scattered showers or thunderstorms. Some of those showers or thunderstorms, because we have a very moist atmosphere, could be very heavy. So might have to worry about some isolated flooding concerns. Before tonight, 70 degrees, a stray shower early, maybe patchy clouds, but any precipitation chance will be down in the evening. Tomorrow, though, 86 degrees, a little bit warmer, not as warm as it was today, but that non-zero threat for rain as well. Here's a look at your Futurecast. You can see this is because of a cold front that's moving through our area. Our timestamp's now Sunday evening. This is going to move across our area as we go into Sunday evening, but you can see the front's not really going to move too much, so we might have to worry about a little bit of a threat on Monday. Looking nicer on Tuesday, and the high pressure system will be cooped up in our area. One thing that we'll have to worry about, though, are these very high dew points in the low to mid 70s. Those can spell very crazy weather in terms of high dew points and high heat indices as well. And here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Mid 80s, the name of the game. We'll have to watch for the temperatures going into the midweek, especially Wednesday, where we could break 90 again. Some relief on the way towards the end of the week.